Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and today we're talking all about bright, vibrant, colorful prints on your t-shirts using neon ink screen printed transfers. Now, whether you're a custom apparel decorator or running your own t-shirt business or brand, staying relevant with current trends helps your business succeed. And recently, one trend that's been growing in popularity are neon colors in designs. So let's dive in and cover some inspiration and examples, how you could order these neon ink transfers. Then we'll even print a shirt back here on our heat press and cover some best practices for achieving those eye-catching prints every single time. So are you ready? Let's get to it. If you are new to Transfer Express, we are the world's largest supplier of custom screen printed and digital heat transfers, heat presses, free customizable designs, wholesale apparel, and expert advice to help grow your t-shirt business. If you haven't already, subscribe. We're kicking out new videos like this one every single week. Neon inks are a great way to add a little something extra to your prints without going full on shimmer and shine like with metallic finishes, glitter, or foil decoration methods. Now, these neon inks give that nice, bold pop of color to a wide variety of uses. Everything from brand tees to family reunions, schools, events, festivals, beach wears, 5Ks, fun runs, and everything in between. The best part is you could capture the screen printed neon look without the mess and hassle of actually screen printing yourself. This is where screen printed transfers come in. It's essentially screen printing with just your heat press. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, real cool. Now, there are 3 types of screen printed transfers here at Transfer Express that we're going to be covering today: Goof Proof, Hot Split, and Elastiprints. Now, Goof Proof transfers are an industry favorite for apparel decorators for the quick press time, effortless hot peel, and durable, long-lasting prints that look and feel just like regular screen printing. They apply to cotton, polyester, and cotton poly blend fabrics easy. Now, they also apply to light or dark color garments. It doesn't matter. The inks are nice and opaque, but we're actually going to touch more on that in just a minute. Now, hot split screen printed transfers are essentially the same as Goof Proof, but without the added adhesive powder on the back. So you trade off a little bit of that versatility and quick application for a slightly lighter print. Now, Elastiprints is an athletic formula geared towards 100% polyester sports uniforms, performance wear, and heat-sensitive garments. Formulated to stand up to the abuse on and off the field, along with the heavy-duty laundering that accompanies those sports uniforms. So it's a nice, durable print. And as we talk about neon colors today, the neon yellow is actually perfect for matching the color of those softballs, if you're printing softball uniforms. With all of these screen printed transfer options, you have access to the 70+ standard ink colors in our catalog. Included in that are 6 popular neon inks available at no additional cost: neon blue, green, lime, yellow, orange, and pink. Now here, I have a color selector swatch book, and this little booklet has all of the standard ink colors actually printed on fabric, so you could see what they look like in real life. Now, this is available in our marketing kit that I'll link right here, or standalone by itself for just 20 bucks. Since colors vary from screen, this handy little guide for ink colors comes in super handy when designing artwork for apparel. And you get all of those neon colors in here too. What's great about these neon ink colors is that they can be standalone as a single color print or combined with any other standard ink color available. Even if you need a specific Pantone match, we're gonna make it happen for you. Now, ordering and selecting your ink colors is a breeze. At transferexpress.com, you'll find the Easy View Online Designer, where you could upload your own artwork files, create artwork from scratch, or utilize the gigantic catalog of over 10,000 pieces of clip art and fully customizable pre-made layouts. So regardless of your artistic skill level, you could create t-shirts that people will actually want to wear. First, you'll want to ensure that you have a screen printed transfer selected. Here in the lower left-hand corner, you could see that we have screen print selected under our print method. And we have our choice of Goof Proof, Hot Split, and Elastiprints if we click into it. Now, over here in the edit menu on the left-hand side, you could easily edit ink colors for your designs. Just click the swatch and you can navigate down to the neon section where you'll find the 6 colorways available. Like we mentioned earlier, you could combine these with any other ink color if needed. Just select the specific piece of artwork and recolor it. One last benefit of screen printed transfers I do want to mention is the ability to create gang sheets, or essentially groups of artwork all here on one page. With screen printed transfers, the price is per sheet, so fit as much artwork on here as you can. That's great for adding those left chest logos, maybe some sleeve prints, other project files, or even inside tag prints for your own brand. Of course, with screen printing, the more colors you add, the more expensive it gets. And the more quantity you add, you'll see price breaks start to lower the cost. So when you're adding all that extra artwork, just make sure it's colored to the same inks on the rest of the page for that free bonus printing. But enough talk. Let's get back to the heat press and print. So first step is going to be loading our shirt onto our heat press. We have the 16x20 Hotronix autoclam here coupled with the caddy stand. So we have this nice threadability where we're able to just put one layer of fabric down on here. Makes really super efficient and fast loading, and I could easily just check my armpit seams to make sure we are straight and centered. Now, the first step when you're applying any heat transfer is going to be to pre-press this garment. So all of these wrinkles in here we could get out, and we'll also get the moisture out of the fabric. So we'll just go ahead and kiss it down. You don't necessarily need to do a full press here, even with that full pressure. So here, now we have a nice, flat, even, smooth printing surface prepped and ready to go for our transfer. Now this is the transfer that we're going to be using here today in our neon orange, and it did come from a gang sheet with just a few other logos on it. So say if we wanted to do a big large back print, maybe a left chest print or a sleeve print, we have these other artwork pieces here. Now, of course, all of this extra real estate we could have fit inside tag prints or maybe even small logos for another project using this neon orange ink. But this was just for our example here today, so we've got this one right here. Now, every day is a new adventure. We're just gonna lay this one down right here centered. I know where our collar is, so just some easy placement tips. We do have some great placement videos here on our YouTube channel for placements on all types of different garments, even sleeves and print sizing. I'm gonna go 3 fingers down from the bottom of the collar right here to the top of the artwork. I could kind of see it a little bit through there, so I know I'm set right where I wanna be. Now, all we have to do is print this. Goof proof applies at 365 degrees for just 4 to 6 seconds for this single color print. So go ahead and close our press. And I love the autoclam because it's gonna pop open by itself, and we'll just peel the transfer away immediately, leaving behind a real deal screen print right there on our t-shirt. Now, we did mention our screen printed transfers apply to both light and dark colored garments with just a few exceptions. And first one is neon orange. Unlike the other ink colors in our neon line, neon orange looks best on lighter colored garments. Kind of like you see here with all of the examples when we have them laid out. It's just in the nature of the pigments here in the ink. You could see our white example, the orange is bright, and our darker garments kind of dull that orange just a little bit. Now, you could definitely get around this by adding a white outline around all of your artwork, so the neon color is actually backed by that white ink, letting it be bright and vibrant on any color t-shirt, especially those darker grays or black fabrics. If you are using hot split, since the inks are not as quite as opaque as Goof Proof or Elastiprints, you should only use neon colors on lighter garments. They may look dull on the darker garments here. Now, you could try all of these ink colors yourself with our Goof Proof screen printed transfers. Just click on over to this link right here, or down in the description we'll put a link for you to request your free neon ink screen printed transfer sample pack. Of course, be sure to subscribe here to the Transfer Express YouTube page and hit that like button. Stay up to date on all of the helpful t-shirt printing tips, tricks, inspiration, and education that we're dropping every single week. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing. Bye.